Halo Sobat Klasik, kembali lagi di channel Mr. Ari Klasik. Kali ini kita akan ke Klaten. Saya diajak teman saya, Mas Andri namanya. Kita akan ke Klaten, kita akan cek sebuah Vespa Excel warnanya abu-abu strong. Kita akan cek, yang cari Om Andri. Kita akan cek ke Klaten, nanti barangnya seperti apa. Ikuti terus video ini.
It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't stop, don't crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Excelnya udah starter ini.